Hello everyone. Now I will do a reading for the lovely Arians. What does a full moon have for you? Full moon is all about releasing, negativity and any sort of unhealthy attachments you have in your life. And the full moon is on 24 June. So let's begin the Arians. In the past, you have the Knight of Cups, you have the King of Cups and the Judgment. In the present, you have the Eight of Swords. In the reverse, the Five of Swords and the Page of Wands. In the near future, you have the Hermit reversed. You have the Ace of Pentacles and the Emperor, which is your energy, Aries. So now let's begin. I think in the past, there was some love offer made to you. Could be a Piscean and a water sign, could be a water sign. So some sort of love offer, some sort of offer was made to you, but you declined that offer, and maybe you are having a kind of rebirth, and you are actually in your own world, you're in your own family life, and you are not looking or much interested in the offer the person is giving you. In the present, you have Eight of Swords in the reverse and Five of Swords again. So Five of Swords is all about disagreements. It is all about conflict. You've had some disagreement with someone. There could be two people involved, and it's actually, I think it's not worth the fight, because then it's a no-win-win situation, and it could be somebody close to you. It could be in your work area or in your family or somebody. And then you have the Eight of Swords in the reverse. You are definitely blindfolded. You've come out of that, that feeling of stuck up, and you are seeing things very clearly, and you have decided to look into another direction. You can see this girl, she is looking into another, she's trying to manifest something, she's looking into another direction. She's wanting, concentrating on an opportunity. Could be a project, could be something regarding a family or something. And she's very energetic also, so she's not interested in all this conflict and in all these disagreements, or in this disturbing situations. In the near future, you have come out of your isolation, you introspected the things very carefully, and you are in your own energy now. That is the Emperor. You exactly know what you want and how you have to go about, and you are very clearly looking into another direction, in a direction of your movement. Although the Ace of Pentacles here is reversed, it shows that there is a little delay in in the things you want to take off. But then you are definitely very very adamant about doing something, or taking up some project, or sorting out things, and ultimately your will shall prevail. In the challenge, we have the Three of Wands for you, my Arians, because we have Three of Wands here. In Three of Wands, actually, you are looking at a broader vision. You are wanting to, this is also a foreign travel card. Also, you want to visit, make a trip abroad. You are waiting for your, some sort of, you're waiting for some results to come in. Very patiently you are looking overboard. You are looking at these ships, which denote that you are waiting for something very desperately. You might want to go out, you want to travel abroad, or you are looking for something patiently coming back to you. So this is your challenge, and you have to keep you are patiently waiting for things to happen, and should take, you're having a broader picture, big picture, and you're planning things, now in the advice which the tarot has for you is Ten of Wands, the Page of Pentacles in the reverse, and Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles seems that you are definitely working on something. You are either working, if it is your business, you are working hard. It's your office, you're working hard for money, and that's why you're feeling a little burdened. about the whole thing. And that's why I think your challenge is that you want to relax, you want to take things to the next level. So definitely you're working very hard. Ten of Wands is also showing that you are carrying a lot of responsibilities and you want to relax. So you're waiting for the opportunity. We can see Page of Pentacles reversed here. You're waiting for the opportunity to come, and the moment it arrives, you will be in your energy and you will be quick to take action. So I hope this helped, my Aries, and may God bless you. And this full moon advice is for you. You know, the advice for you is to not to lose the sight of your goal. So keep going on, and this is all I have for you today. So thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and bye bye.